Okay. Here in the microwave, we have a single egg.
Ordinary.
And a paper towel. We're going to close the microwave. Put it in for 45 seconds.
And let this
I've had experiences with the time. Open the door. I think I might want ending results. I think before we stop, we should do another one. What do you think?
You're being... oh my god. Oh my god, it's deep. It's gonna... oh my... that's like the worst smell in the world.
Should I open it and we done?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna throw this at it.
When you did something at it last time.
Spinning. The eggs like coffee thing.
We're gonna see what it does in the microwave. Egg explosion. I think we'll combine these videos.
Okay.
So it's just one big video.
7.
Just put 7 minutes. And we can stop it. You press start.
Oh, I'm not used to your little...
You can't even see because of all the eggs.
Move.
Yeah. Let me get my... Probably has to get heated.
Oh my god!
It's growing.
Oh my god, touch your sides. No, I just touch it.
Okay.
There you go.
Now we can see it more. Oh, now it's going to grow legs on the other side.
Soap in the microwave is very fun.
Okay.
Go shoot your mom. Okay, hold on.
I might want to keep this. This is kind of cool.
Yeah, I'm glad we stopped it.
Okay. Hurry, put it down. Oh my god. It's like bread in the middle.